Hi everyone and welcome back to today's morning report on Thursday the 5th of May with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantec Markets. Let's look at dollar yen, and we've had this sort of rally on dollar yen. It sort of is continuing at a slightly small pace, but as with a lot of these forex majors, we had this big breakdown on the dollar. The dollar sell-off broke some key levels, and the key level on dollar yen that it was the breakdown was 107.60 to 107.80, sort of these old lows from April, and the big breakdown is unwinding back to that move. Sorry, those old supports. Old supports become new resistance, and as yet we're not really seeing anything more that would suggest that this is going to be sort of anything other than a bear market rally on dollar yen. Got this slight improvement in stochastics, but as yet nothing confirmed. You've got the crossover, but not a confirmed buy signal. You've got the MACD lines, which are still sort of very muted and very negative. RSI's picked up, but again, there's no real buy signal there, I wouldn't say. So I think that this is the key level that you need to get through, 107.60 to 107.80, and that is the key test, I think, overhead for dollar yen. And until it sort of breaks through that, I don't think you can really take this rally as anything more than sort of an unwinding move. You've got this hourly RSI, hit 70 yesterday and sort of rolled over. It's sort of coming up towards 70 again, but looking at the sort of MACD lines on the hourly chart, nothing really all that positive about those lines, are there? They are slightly above neutral, but again, nothing too positive to go on yet. And I think if you saw the hourly RSI above 70 consistently, I think that then maybe you could start to think about that being strong momentum in the near-term outlook. But still, there's so much overhead supply. I think that ultimately this will just prove to be another chance to sell. So you'd be looking at that initial resistance band, 107.60 to 107.80, and beyond that, you got this old line around 108.70, which is a pivot as well. So fair amount of overhead supply for this dollar yen to get through, and I think this is probably just going to prove to be another chance to sell. But I wish you good luck in your trading. Don't forget you've got payrolls tomorrow, so the market may well sort of settle down in front of that. But I wish you good luck in your trading for today. So I'll speak to you later. Thank you.